Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So again, today we're gonna do a little bit different. We're gonna do two packs of Brilliant Stars, and probably what everybody wants, the Charizard. So my luck at the minute, like I've said before, it's not been very good. So yeah, let's get straight into it, guys, and I'll put that over there, and let's get straight into this. Get the trusty scissors out, and yeah, let's get into it and see what we get. Yeah, there we go. Turn it over. You'd think I'd be getting a bit... Oh, might have seen a little bit then. Try to make it a little bit more suspenseful so that we're not showing what's what, but you'd think I'd be a little bit better at getting into these packs now, guys, but nope. I'm sure I'll improve, so... And the code card for you guys. There you go. That's first pack. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this time we're going to try and remember it. I'm a bit hit and miss with this because I keep forgetting, but guess the energy. Put your guesses in the comments, guys. So there we go, guys. Fire energy. Right, and we're off. Tropius, is it? Tropius, yeah. Trapinch, is it? Yeah. I like that card, looks cool. Shroomish. You don't look very happy. Headbutt, I love that. Piplup. Is it Marini's Pride, is it? Might be saying that wrong. Is it a reverse hollow? I think I'm learning. Might be a reverse hollow, that. And then the final one is Dusk Noir, is it? So again, my luck is still not improving. It's got to do at some point, guys. So there you go. That's one pack of Brilliant Stars. So we'll put that up there. And then we've got a second pack, so we'll get straight into this one, guys. There we go. So the code card for you guys is that. And 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll put that. Leaf energy. Remembered again this time. Leaf energy. There we go. No, what's that? That's something. Metal energy, is it? Again, if I'm wrong, please do tell me. Yeah, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Try to grow this channel, guys, and you know, by leaving comments and putting likes on, it shows me that you like to see these pack openings, and the quality's only going to get better the longer I do it and the more I do it. So right, let's go for it. Is it Starvia? Starvia? Floatzel? Yeah, I think so. Hunting gloves. Need to figure out how to hold these a little bit better. Execute. Cracking card. Grimer. Sneasel. Bidoof. Electrobuzz. I like that card as well. It's cool. And I think we're down. There we go. Eevee. Wow. Love that card. That's nice. Again, guys, if that's... I mean, it looks a decent card to me. What is it? Full art? Not quite sure. But, yeah. Let me know if that's any good. And, yeah. Let's go. Final one is... Ooh, Flygon. So, it's the first bit of luck, guys, that we've had. That's 2 cards. Again, there might not be anything. They might be, so I will pop them straight into some sleeves, guys. And, yeah. And thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye-bye.